Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to 31 Days of Yoga. If this is your first time here and you're into health, fitness, and yoga related videos, then consider subscribing to my channel. And then while you're at it, click that little bell icon to be notified every time I post, which through the month of January will be every single day. Today I have for you another strength practice to help support your flow. So we're going to go ahead and get started on our backs. We'll lay down. And from here, we're just going to take our legs to a 90-90 position, 90 degrees in the hips, 90 degrees in the knees. We're going to press into our thighs, roll yourself up, and press. Press your knees into your thighs, or press your knees into your hands into your knees. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let your hands come out into a V. Extend your legs out long. Low boat pose. Pull your right knee in. Send the right leg out. Left knee in. Left leg out. Right. Left. Right. Try to keep those legs low. Left. One more. Right. And left. Both the knees in. Let yourself relax. All right, another round, a little bit different though. We're gonna be taking our legs up back to that 90-90 position, hands into the knees into the hands, press. The more you press through your knees, the more lower core you get. The more you press through your hands, the more you get into the upper core. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open up the hands, drop the legs down. We're going to pull our right knee in. This time we're going to twist over to the left, pull it back, extend, left knee in. Twist, pull it back, extend, right. Twist, in, extend, left. Twist, in, extend, right. Twist, in, extend, left. Twist, in, extend. Last one. Twist, in, extend, left, twist, in, extend, pull both the knees in. Ooh, relax. If you remember from a few days ago, we did that crow prep on our back, so we're going to do that again now. So take your hands up like you're pressing up onto the ceiling. Lift up, try to pull your knees into your triceps. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Prepare for another round. Exhale, press yourself up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Prepare for another round. Last one. Press it in. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Oof. Extend. Wiggle a little bit from side to side. And then when we're ready, we'll roll up towards seated. Excellent. We'll just kick our legs out in front of us. And from here, we're going to come into kind of a quad exercise. I promise you'll be feeling it in your quads, especially if you haven't really done this before. So if you feel a little bit of cramping, don't worry, that's totally normal. I'd say it took me about 10 to 20 times of doing this sort of activity for it's now, it hurts, but it's not cramping. So I can feel the strength being generated there, but it will just take some time. So if you notice that it's happening, you can just bend your knees, give yourself a little massage, and then continue when you're ready. Okay, so what we're going to do from here is taking our hands together. We're going to lift our right leg, send it out to the side at about a 90-degree angle, set it down. Lift that leg, pull it back, set it down. Left leg, we're going to lift, open up to the side, set it down. We'll lift that leg, pull it back center, set it down. This time we're gonna add a little bow, so we're really gonna be getting quite deep into the quads here, and opening up through the hamstrings as well. Okay, so bow over the legs, lift it up, right leg lifts, send it out to the side, drop it, drop down, lift, lift, return, and down, fold. Reach yourself up, left leg up, pull it to the side and down, fold, lift, lift the leg, pull it back center, fold, and down. Lift it up, right leg lifts, pull it out to the side, drop it down, fold, lift, lift that leg, pull it center, down, and fold. Lift it up, lift the left leg, open up, down, and fold, lift, lift the leg, pull it center, down, and fold. Let's do 2 more each side. Right leg lifts, opens, fold. Right leg lifts, closes, fold. Left leg lifts, opens, fold. Left leg lifts, opens, close. This is our last one. Try to take that leg up as high as you can. Open it up, set it down, fold. Bring it back, lift it up, center, fold. Left leg lifts, open, and fold. Left leg lifts, closes, and fold. Good. All right, that's all I have for you today. Short, sweet, simple. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Namaste.